Hello class, Professor Shafsall here. I wanted to review how to use the Medicare Physician Fee Schedule lookup tool found on the cms.gov website. So when you go to the cms.gov website, you need to click on the search field and then you will type Medicare Physician Fee Schedule lookup tool and simply search for it. It should give you a list of options. The first one should be the actual tool where it says Physician Fee Schedule Lookup Tool. And it will bring you to the home page for the Physician Fee Schedule Lookup Tool. Then what we are going to do is we're going to simply click on the link for the tool. Here we're going to click on the Physician Fee Schedule search box. And then it's going to give us search criteria. In your instructions, it tells you what the search criteria needs to be. Your setting needs to be as followed. The year should be 2019. The type of information should be price information. For the HCPCS HCPS criteria, it should be single HCPCS code. As we move down the MAC option, the Medicare Administrative Contractor should be all MACs. Your HCPCS code box should be blank, and where it says modifiers, yours should simply say select modifier, and it needs to be all modifiers. Now when you look at the table in your homework assignment, it has CPT codes listed with the appropriate code description next to it. And then you see that several columns, you should have 5 blank columns next to that. So if we're looking at our first CPT code 12002 on our assignment, the code description is simple repair of superficial wounds 2.6 centimeters to 7.5 centimeters. That's all the information that we're given. So where it says HCPCS code, HCPCS code, we're going to type in the code 12002. And then we're going to simply select submit. Now this is going to generate the information that we're looking for. So the first thing you want to do is verify the code that you entered. So we're looking for the code 12002. We have that. It's repair of superficial wounds 2.6 to 7.5 centimeters. And then we're going to look at this table. If you notice on our homework assignment, we're looking for information for non-facility price. We're also looking for the facility price, the work RVU, fully implemented non-facility PE RVU, and the MP RVU. So if we look here, we can see that we have the non-facility price, we have the facility price, but we can't really see much else that we need even when we scroll over. So you always need to make sure that where it says show default columns, that we click on show all columns. On every single code that you look up, you need to make sure that we're looking at all columns. So simply click it. And here we have more columns. If you notice, we have a lot more columns that loaded. So we can find all the information that we need to for our assignment. So for our first code, let's do it together. We're going to look at the very first one that it gives us, and it should be all zeros. We're looking for the non-facility price. So the non-facility price for the first row is $111. So we're going to put that in our non-facility price column for row 12002 for CPT code 12002. So we're going to put $111. In the next column, we need to find the facility price. And here we have the facility price. The next thing we need is the work RVU. So we need to keep looking at all of the titles to find work RVU. And here is our work RVU. So in our column, we would put 1.114. Our next column that we need to fill out is for the fully implemented non-facility PE RVU. So we need to scroll through all of the columns until we find fully implemented non-facility PE RVU. So here we have fully implemented non-facility, non-fac PE RVU at 1.79. So that's what we would put on our table for our assignment. And then we're looking for the MP RVU, and here is our MP RVU, and that would be 0.15. So when you're ready to look at the next code, code 22612, you're simply going to come up back to the top. It has all your settings already saved, and you're going to type in the code that you're looking for, 22612, and you want to simply hit update results in orange here, and we are going to search for that. So as we go down, we see our code, verify it, 22612. We have our lumbar spine fusion, and if we come here, we see that it went back to show default columns, and we always need to select show all columns. After we select show all columns, it will download all the information that we need, and again, we'll be working with the very first column, and you're just going to find the information here and write it down in your spreadsheet for our assignment. If you have any questions, please let me know, but this is how we use the Medicare Physician Fee Schedule lookup tool on cms.gov.